Hi everyone, and welcome to this video. Today we're putting together a restaurant daylight scene in D5, pulling materials, lighting, and color into a more convincing sense of depth. If the imported glass is too dark, swap it out for a D5 glass material so natural light can actually make its way into the space. Turn off auto exposure. In D5 3.1, exposure compensation shows the matching manual exposure value in real time. When you're ready to switch back, just enter that number to keep the brightness you've already dialed in. Switch to a pure white HDR. It strips out the environmental color so you can judge the materials on their own. Now, switch the color space to ACES CG. From here on, all materials and lights are built on the same color foundation. Lock in the main camera view with the dining area as the visual focus. Add a soft emissive layer to the ceiling material to establish a base level of interior light. Start by making sure each surface has the right material template. For glass, push up the specular and refraction values. For metal, dial in the metallic value, then dial down roughness to sharpen the highlights. For the tablecloth, choose the cloth template. If the tiling stands out, tweak the scale or use Make Seamless to keep larger surfaces looking natural. Turn on Mesh, set Fall Off to 4, and boost the translucency. Grab a leather material from the library, shift the map color, and push up the reflection. Give the lampshades an emissive material and dial in a warm tone. Next, choose a spotlight and set the intensity, range, and beam angle. Aim it at the tables and focal areas to give the dining zone a clearer lighting hierarchy. Switch to a top view and wireframe mode to copy the spotlight across the dining and feature areas, while keeping its height and direction consistent. Bring in strip lights along the lines you want to emphasize. Keep them subtle, they'll build atmosphere and sharpen the room's outline. Add a rect light outside the windows for cool daylight. That contrast against the warm interior light gives the space a natural balance. Group repeated lights so you can tune them together. Keep the intensity and range under control so each light stays where it needs to work. Once the main relationships are set, bring in the exterior environment. That's what gives the image more depth. Don't forget to check Invisible in Ray Tracing so it won't interfere with your HDRI lighting. To finish, fine-tune the image, add a LUT, and tweak the shadows and white balance. Then turn on AO to strengthen the contact between the tables, furniture, and wall corners without losing the natural transitions. Once the daylight setup is done, use interactive presentation to compare different material and furniture options. Slides organize your camera views. Add a variable set to the relevant slides, and you can call up the same design state across different views. Keep each variable focused on one core change. That way, clients can immediately see what separates one option from another. For a deeper look at interactive presentation, watch this video. That's all for this video. We'd love for you to open D5 and give it a try. Thanks for watching.